Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn off notes on Instagram Reels. Not a fan of Instagram notes popping up while watching Reels. In this video I'll show you how to turn them off step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to open the Instagram settings, and to do that just open Instagram app and tap on your profile icon. Let's recheck. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom. Usually it's at the bottom in mobile version, but in this case I'm using a tablet, so it's displayed on the left side. Now after you open your profile, uh, tap on the three horizontal lines here on the top right corner, and then go to settings and privacy. You can look for settings and privacy in the search bars. Let's type in settings and privacy. Let's go directly to privacy. You can go to privacy center. And after that, the second step is to manage notes visibility. And to do that, go to messages and story replies here. From here, you can tap who can see your notes. Select no one to completely turn them off. As for the third step is to mute notes from specific users. If you only want to mute some people's notes, open DMs and find the user's notes and tap on it and tap mute notes and you won't see their updates again. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to turn off notes on Instagram Reels. Follow these steps to declutter your feed and focus on the content you enjoy. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.